The buzzing bee banged against the bright blue bottle. The buzzing bee banged against the bright blue bottle. What is the figure of speech here? Is it irony? Is it onomatopoeia? Is it euphemism? Or is it oxymoron? What do you say? Okay. When we look at this, we see a repetition of the bull sound, a repetition of the consonant sound bu. That tells us this is what? Alliteration. Alliteration involves the repetition of a consonant sound in nearby words. Buzzing, bee, bang, bright, blue, butter. But we don't have alliteration among the options. So we go for the next best option. What do we have? Which of this is actually present here? Is there irony here? Do we have onomatopoeia? Do we have euphemism or oxymoron? What is irony? Irony is involved when you say the opposite of what you intend to say. For example, when you come close to someone and you perceive an unpleasant foul smell, you then say, wow, you have a nice smell. Now that is irony, because you are saying the opposite of what you intend or what you mean to say. That's verbal irony. Then we also have situational irony, when the opposite of what is expected happens. For example, a fire station burns down. That's situational irony. Or a police officer gets robbed. That's situational irony. So that's irony, when the opposite of what is happens, or what is expected happens. When the opposite of what is intended or meant to be said is said. Onomatopoeia. This involves the use of a word that mimics a sound it is describing, or mimics a natural sound. For example, we have the word moo. This sounds like the sound cows make. Moo. And this is the word that represents that sound. And it sounds like that sound. That is onomatopoeia. So we have other words. We have boom. This sounds like what? Like an explosion. We say, and suddenly, boom, there was an explosion. Boom, it's an onomatopoeia. We have zoom. Zoom, he drove off. So those are examples of onomatopoeia. Creak, flush, bang. Those are onomatopoeia. All right. Then you have euphemism. Euphemism is a mild, polite expression in the place of a harsh, unpleasant one. All right. So instead of saying he's dead, you say passed away. Instead of saying she's fat, you say she's full-figured. All right. Those are examples of euphemism. Now, oxymoron, this involves